Hey guys, and welcome to Tech Force, and in today's video we'll be reviewing Amcrest SkyLight Quadcopter. To begin, let's talk about what comes inside the box. So inside we have the drone itself, a wireless controller, a screwdriver, 4 spare propellers, 1 USB charging cable, and the user manual. Now these are all neatly arranged into the box, which in my opinion looks really nice. Next, let's talk about how easy it is to fly this drone. So when I first flew the drone, I found it constantly wanting to go up, and that did make it slightly difficult to control. But apart from this, I felt very confident, and this could be because I've previously reviewed the SkyView version of this drone, which is very similar. So I have kind of experienced this before, and you do get used to it over a couple flights. Next, another issue I realized with this drone is that there was a difference between flying it and the SkyView. I found that the SkyView's steering ability made it a bit easier to control, and I felt a bit more confident when I was flying the SkyView. But there wasn't a huge difference, so I guess it was okay. Now to talk about the drone's technical features. First, just like the hand-controlled drone, this has an auto-hover feature, which at first may be a little bit hard to realize, but it does work well to some extent. And this quadcopter also has one key return, which means that you just press a key situated on the top left of the remote for it to land and take off. And then the only consequence of this is that if you're bringing it down in heavy winds, it can fly away or get lost or stuck in a tree or something, which would be a shame. But then you can steer it to the ground, which does help to avoid this. And regardless of that, it has 3 speed modes. So you can maximize your control with 3 speed options. And there is a significant difference between each speed mode, which can be very beneficial for various winds. A negative aspect about this drone would be its lack of a camera. However, this drone isn't really meant to have a camera because its purpose is to be a much simpler version of the SkyView, which does have a camera. And instead of having a camera, Amcrest have chosen to use a torch, which is great for nighttime flights, but is quite bright, which means that it does consume slightly more battery than I would like. Also, I found that the flight time was a bit short, lasting only about 7 minutes. And then the charging time is very long, lasting 90 minutes. And this can be annoying, but unfortunately it is the case with most drones. However, in terms of range of connection, this drone is amazing. The transmitter can connect with a distance of 100 meters, which is very useful, and it means that the drone can be flown very high into the sky. But another slight issue is that the transmitter doesn't come with the 4 AAA batteries that it requires, which means that the customer must provide them. But then this isn't an extremely large problem, as AAA batteries are very cheap and easy to obtain. Overall, I thought this drone was very good. It was reliable and stable in the air, and I would definitely recommend this to beginners and amateurs, as you can enjoy flying at decent speeds and having a lot of fun. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And you can find out more information by clicking on the link in the description below. But for now, thank you and goodbye.